ECDL Advanced, Lesson 51, Password Protection. Passwords can be assigned to certain documents to restrict access to them. This is particularly important if a computer is shared or is on a network where it can be accessed by other users. Passwords can be used to control whether a document can be opened or modified. A document can also be protected so that only tracked changes or comments may be added. Be careful, as without the password, access to the document will not be allowed. Make sure to use a password that will not be forgotten. We're starting with a document called Articles, which is open on the screen now. To add a password, select the File tab, then Info. If we then go on to Protect Document, and we wish to select Encrypt with Password, enter Stories as the password, and then press OK. Now that we've protected the document, save the document as password. So save as, and we're going to call this one password. OK, now close the document. Next, we wish to open the document password. So scroll down to password. As we can see, it now needs a password to open the file, so put in the password stories, press OK, and now it will let me in to be able to make any modifications I want to. Okay, sorted. So if you could now close that, we're now going to open a different document. If we open the document Colorado, the content within a document can also be protected. Select the Review tab and then Restrict Editing. This will then open the Restrict Editing task pane. If we tick on number 2, Editing Restrictions, we're going to allow only this type of editing in the document, and we're going to select just comments. In section 3, where it says Start Enforcement, click on Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. The password we're going to use for this is PASS. P-A-S-S. Now I'd like you to save the document as locked. This will allow a user to add comments but not change the document in any other way. Okay, let's try to delete some text. I'm now going to press delete. As you can see at the bottom, it says you can't make this change because the selection is locked. If we look at the Restrict Editing pane, it explains to us that this document is protected from unintentional editing, and we may only insert comments into this region. After the first paragraph, I wish to insert a comment. So onto the Insert tab, we're going to insert a comment, and the comment we want to put in is I can't change this. And as you can see, that comment has been allowed to be added. If we wish to remove the protection, click Stop Protection at the very end here on the bottom of the Restrict Editing box. It'll then ask us to unprotect the document, enter the password PASS and press OK. Now the document protection has been removed. We'll now be able to change whatever we like. So again, let's try and get that first sentence. This time, let's try and delete it. Now it's allowing the deletion of that text. There are now no restrictions. To add tracked changes protection, select tracked changes. Select tracked changes from the editing restrictions drop-down list. At the moment it says comments. We're going to change this to tracked changes. In section 3, start enforcement, we want to click yes, start enforcing protection. Again, enter the word pass and then re-enter the password again. Then click OK. Now let's try changing some text. I'm going to press delete. As you can see, this will be allowed, but it will automatically generate tracking. Next, click the File tab. Make sure the info screen is displayed. You'll see there's a summary of the current security for this document. Click Protect Document. Note that encrypt with password and restrict editing can be started from here. At that stage, save the document using the same file name and then close it. Done. Okay, look forward to seeing you next time.